Asuntoskeuttiö Mäntsälä Lounatuuli.
This is also very nice today on the 11th of July 2024. We have Vanha Porvoontie. Was it 11 Stekesby?
Yeah.
Yes. In Mäntsälä, Uusimaa, Nyland, Finland. We have these 4 persons of 325 grams with 4 floors. And this was built in 1990, probably at the beginning of 1990 because it still has the older type of the doorknobs. This number is H66386. Let's try to get 2 rights here. I love this smell here.
Same.
I love this whole interior. I love the sounds as well.
Same here.
It sounds very much like 1988 on the machine, so...
Yeah.
And that's why I also do the doorknob. This is very likely to be at the beginning of 1990.
This feedback device that maintained by or Kone.
Well, I like the fact that in the beginning of 1990 they got a wooden interior.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's